So let's take a look at how you can disable GeneratePress navigation menu. So I have installed GeneratePress on my website, and here you can see it has this navigation menu here that I wish to remove. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do is go to appearance, then theme editor, and open functions.php file. Okay, so this file contains the filter that we wish to disable. Actually, the filter is generate navigation location, so you can find that on functions.php. So basically navigate to the bottom of the page. Okay, so we'll start with add filter, then within single quote generate navigation underscore location, then disable nav menu. So we will basically have that as function. So disable nav menu, and make sure that you add a semicolon at the end of that statement. Okay, so function disable nav underscore menu. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we are going to return something empty. Okay, so within single quote we will basically return blank space. Okay, and if I save this file, then that should disable the menu. So filter basically applies that to generate navigation location, and it returns empty space. Okay, so when you refresh the page, it will hide that navigation location where we usually keep our primary menu. Okay, as you can see, this is the location for primary menu that will be disabled. Okay, similarly you can apply the same for secondary navigation as well. Okay, so this was small demo on how to disable navigation menu with the GeneratePress theme.